Greetings, fellow coders. Krishna Sharma here from Credit, and welcome to the 31st episode of our magical JavaScript series. Today, we are embarking on a journey deep into the enchanted world of the console. We will be unraveling the mysteries of console.log, console.table, and console.directed. So, grab your coding vents, let the exploration begin, and let the master the console trio. So, unrevealing the console trio, the console is not just a magical scroll of text, it's a powerful tool in our coding arsenal. Today, we are demystifying three spells that the console provides: console log, console table, and console directory. Let's embark on our console journey by understanding the unique power of each spell. We will create a mystical array and inspect it using our console trio. So here we have HTML structure and CSS styling, and also we have JavaScript code. So this is understandable by you because I already covered all this code in our previous videos. So we will just copy this code and paste in our index.html. Here we have this index.html, and we have to make this file, and we made this file for script. I want to just explain you some script from this. So first we will explain some index file content. So here we have first body. In the body we used a div tag. In the div tag we have three buttons: first for console log, and second for console table, and third for console directory. So here we have another div in which we will get our output, how this console will appear. Here we have all this for IDs: log button, table button, and directory button. And in this we have give some styles to it. So I'm not here to understand you what is style and how we can understand what our style. You have to follow our CSS style series in our channel. Go and check out them. So here we have this JavaScript code. So let's understand this. This is very informational code for you. So document.add event listener. So we have to add event listener in the DOM content loaded. So here we will call this function. In this function we have a const log button, which is getting by ID a element log button, and table button is getting element by ID table button, and directory button console output. This three is very much understandable by you. So here we have a array with these three things. So here we have name, yz, power, array, and like you can understand this. And we have log button. On the log button we have add event listener click. On the function we have to change our inner HTML. So console.inner HTML will just 0 and console.log, and in the console.log will print. So here we will print our mystical array with helping console.log, and in the table we will print using console.table the mystical array, and the directory we will use directory for console.directory in mystical array. So I hope you are getting this. You have to practice this for better understanding. Just copy this code and paste in our script file. So here we have index.html. Just go live this. You can see here we have three buttons. Just zoom it this. So here we have this console.log, console.table, and console.directory. If we click console.log, you can see in the console we will get the output. So here we have this console. If I click console.table, you can see output is coming in the table. I hope you are getting this. If I click console.directory, so output is coming in the directory. In directory give your output in the object, and console.log give the output is same as array, and console.table give the output in the table. I hope you are getting this, these three ingested elements. I hope you are getting this. So let's move to next. So the power of the console trio. Behold the magic. Our console trio provide us with unique perspective on our mystical array. Whatever it's the simplicity of console log, the structure enhanced by console.table, or the detailed insight for console.directory. Each spell has its own charm. So console.log, let's start with the foundational spell console.log. This spell is like our trusty when displaying information in the straightforward text format. Console.table just make the table for your all content with the indexes. And console.directory, last but not the least, we have console.directory. This spell provides a detailed representation of our data, showcasing not only in values but also its property and methods. It's like opening a magical tome to explore this secret within. So that concludes our exploration of the console trio. Each spell has its own unique strength, and knowing when to use each can greatly enhance your coding journey. Which spell do you find most interesting? Let me know in the comments below. In our next episode, we will continue our journey through JavaScript, unlocking more secrets and mastering the art of web adjustment. Until then, may your code be magical and your consoles be powerful. Happy coding!